Why do tractor-trailer accidents occur? Excessive speed, fatigue, distraction, and improper maintenance are often causes of tractor-trailer accidents. Tractor-trailers that travel at highway speeds, and particularly those that travel in excess of highway speeds, have difficulty bringing the vehicle safely to a stop when compared to other vehicles. The sheer mass of the vehicle and its load makes braking and control of the vehicle difficult, particularly in emergency situations. If the tractor-trailers are following smaller vehicles too closely, and the smaller vehicles have to react to road hazards or other problems they encounter in the roadway, it is easy for an accident to occur when the tractor-trailers cannot react in time. Were you in a tractor-trailer or a trucking accident in Louisiana? The experienced attorneys at the Robichaux Law Firm, LLC, work together to form a diverse team of lawyers with the professional expertise and knowledge necessary to handle your case. Request a consultation by visiting our website at www.robichauxlaw.com.